Welcome back to my channel, my dear lovely viewers. As you all know, for those who have been with me for a while, especially those on Twitter and WhatsApp, I actually said I'll be making a video on this Capy Giftbox. Has been going on for like hours or days rather. So right now, this is my SUI wallet. Without wasting much time, let's go straight. This is my SUI wallet rather. So you can see I've already claimed 0.123695116 SUI on DevNet rather. So this is what you need. You actually need nothing less than, let me just say, roughly 0.1. Let's just say 0.1 for you to be able to mint. You need 3 boxes so that you can unlock your premium box. So now I think I have sent out 1 box earlier, but just to be sure, I'll just show you guys how to go about this. Let's go to the apps, click on Capy, click on view. So it will bring you here. I will advise you use desktop screen as the desktop site. So now once you come here, you can see this is premium. The buy is not highlighted, so it's not active, so you can't even buy. So now I'll buy any of these ones. So you can see this one is not active, so these ones are active. You can actually buy any of these. You can buy any of these ones, any of these 4 up here. So I'll start with the first one. Since I have enough SUI DevNet token, so I'll buy the first one. So you can see I've purchased this, then I'll just send it. Click on send, then you click on where the address is. And I'll just go to one of the wallets I have, just any random wallet. I'll click on it, copy, go, and I'll paste it. I repeat, you need to send out 3 gift box before you can enable your premium gift box. So I'll do this. So I'll click on send a gift. I'll click on approve. I noticed there has been error with me using my PC. That's why I had to use phone, which I believe it might just be normal glitch, so I can't wait. So that's why I had to do the video now. The earlier the better. So now I'll click on buy another one, so that I'll buy the second one. I think I've actually bought one earlier before I started this video, but just for the purpose of this video. But let me see, let me buy the second one, then I'll check if the premium is active. So I'll click on approve once again. Once I click on approve, it will also buy this gift as well. So it should pop up what I bought, so that we can be able to sell and send rather. So let me click on another one, since that one is not popping up. It needs to pop up where we can send. No, it's not coming up. That's the same issue I'm having on my PC. So let me just do this. Let me refresh and do this. Yeah, so let's click on send now. So let's go to any other wallet, then I'll copy this, then I'll paste it, then I'll send the gift, then I'll approve. You can just click on buy another one. So since the premium gift is not unlocking, I'll just click on buy another one, just to be sure I'm doing the 3. I'm sending out the 3 boxes. I've sent 2 now. Let me just refresh the page since it's not coming up. Let me refresh the page just as we do earlier. Let me click on buy once again. Let me click on approve. So let's send out gifts. Send. Let's look for wallet to send to. So I'll just copy this wallet and I'll go back and I'll send to this wallet. Send the gift to it. So I've sent the gifts. So you can see now my premium, I've sent 3 gifts. So my premium is now active. I can now buy. I can now click on buy for this premium. You can see. So once you send out 3 gifts boxes, it will become active automatically. So I'll click on buy. So as you can see, I've clicked on buy. What I'll do is refresh just like we do earlier for the other ones. I'll refresh, then click on buy. Then I'll approve this transaction. So you can see my premium box is now ready. So I can now click on open so that I'll see what I have in my premium box. Then I'll click approve. So this is what I have in my what's it called, in my premium box. That's the copy I have. So like this one now, you need to tweet. Just tweet it on Twitter. You can just tweet it on Twitter. Then after you're done tweeting, so let me show you something I just clicked now. So you see these things, add items, or remove items. So you see this one, the one I just gave is skates, add skate. So once I click on this quote now, it will give it Christmas quote. Just watch and see. Christmas quote. You can see it has a quote. And I can give it a scarf. It will wrap a scarf around its neck. Yeah, so I can actually add more. For those who don't know how to go about adding it, just go to shop accessories. Shop accessories. You see there are a lot of things you can buy. So I can buy this cap as well. I'll just buy this cap. You can see this cap now. Let me show you what I'm trying to do. You see, I click on buy for 0.0023. So once you click on buy, you approve transaction. You always approve transaction. I'm done buying the cap. It would have entered my accessories since I've paid for it. So I'll go back. What else is it I don't have? So there's no need. There's nothing else I need. I already have the first 3. I already have this first 3 which I have applied. So this is the new one I just bought. Then let's go back to my premium box, which is, let me go to Capy Holiday. So in Capy Holiday now, okay, it's not here, sorry. Let's go to my collection. So you can see this is my collection. I have 2 copies. I have one which I have claimed from a gift box I received. So now here, for you to go and add all the necessary things you want to add to this copy, just click on the wallet address below the copy. Excuse me. So click on the one you are yet to add. So it's actually hearts I just bought just now. That's the cap. So just click on it, add item, then approve transaction. So you can see it now have a cap. So now I have, since I have in my collection, let me show you something. In my collection I have this one and this other one. So if you have a gift box sent to you by someone and you've created your own gift box, you've created your own premium box as well, you can actually, if you have up to 2 Capy in your collection, just like you see here, I have 2 Capys. You see, I have 2 of them. So now you can actually go, just go to breed Capy. Since you already have to, just click the plus sign, the positive sign between the 2 Capy you have. Just click the plus sign, then click on approve, so that you can breed the 2 of them. So which will make them have one. That means they will have one similarity. They will bring the similar, they will join these 2 together to make one. You can see now this spot you have on this Capy is now showing on this. So you will now see some other things that you have on this one as well. You see it on this same one, because it is these 2 that make up this one Capy. That's what breeding is about. So I believe you all understand how this thing works now. How to get a premium box, how to get what is it called, how to breed, and how to send out gifts. And for those who might have received gifts one way or the other and you don't know how to go about it, once you get a gift, all you need to do is to just open it. So let me just show you. I don't want to waste much time on this video, but I need to show you guys everything so that you can all understand. So you can see my Capy now. I have this Capy is the one I designed myself by giving it cap and some other things. This is the one I claimed from NFT box, and this is the one I breed. So that's that. So let me show you the other, what is it called. Let me take you to where, for example, let me go here so I can show you just how to open the box. So I want to show you the wallet I sent a gift to. Then I'll just show you how to go about. So let's go to this wallet. This is one of the wallet I sent Giftbox to. So let's check and see if any gift box dropped in this wallet. It's supposed to have dropped, but I'm not seeing it here. So I'll have to check another wallet. Let me refresh and see. Nothing dropped. So let me check another wallet. Maybe I might have opened the wrong wallet. So you can see now, as you can see here, this is one of the wallets that received the box I sent. So now you just click on the box to open the box. Once you click on it, you can just go to Capy. Just go to Capy site. Sorry, I'm coming. Let me show you how to go. You go to apps, click on Capy, then click connect. Always use desktop site. So we'll go here. Let's go to the menu. Let me go to gifts. You can see this is the gift I got. So now if you like, you can also send it. If you like, a gift you received can also be sent to someone else as well if you like. So now just click on open. I want to open it so that you see what's in it. Let's see what's inside, because I've not seen it as well. I've not seen it either. So let's click on open. Okay, let me refresh the page. Click on open. What's wrong? Let me refresh. You know, this platform, this Capy, their site is actually, it can be very, very annoying at times, because sometimes it's just so slow or it has some glitch. So let's just click open. I think, guys, I've shown you the major part of the things. As Capy is, there has always been glitch on it, so the open is actually not working. So But for if you happen to do it, and when it's when you're running yours and it works, just click on open. You'll see your, what is it called, your Capy. So once you see your Capy there, if you have an existing one Capy in your wallet, you can just click on breed, click on the plus sign, so that you can breed yours as well. So that's all you need to do. It's not something much, it's not something serious. As long as the Capy platform is going through, then everything will go smoothly. So thank you very much, guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to share with your friends and family, so that they can also participate in this SUI NFT. If you miss Aptos, I don't think you want to miss SUI. So because SUI looks bigger than Aptos, in my opinion, with the amount of funds that has been raised on the project. So see you in my next video, guys. Bye.